October 9th, 2021. We went to Yosemite National Park. We went through the town of Oakhurst and headed to the South Gate. On the way, we went through the 2020 Creek Fire burn area. It was painful to see, as there have been many wildfires this year as well. It was Saturday, but we had never experienced this. Bumper-to-bumper traffic before getting to the gate. We should have left a little bit earlier, but we had never expected this. It took about an hour. During the summer, we might have expected it, but in October, there were supposed to be less visitors. Luckily, once we passed the gate, it was wide open. This time, the main intent of our trip was to see Glacier Point. My wife had checked out Yosemite's website and found out that Glacier Point will be closed in 2022 due to maintenance. We hadn't considered Yosemite for a while because we heard it was completely packed during the summertime. The road is closed during the winter, and our son has school in the fall. But we decided to run up and check it out over the weekend, as it may be changed in the future. When it reopens in 2023, we're not sure if we'll be able to get to Glacier Point via personal car. Like Zion National Park or Mariposa Grove, it may become shuttle only. Once we got to the entrance of Glacier Point, we were shocked. The sign said, "This Sunday," which meant the very next day, the road was scheduled to be closed. In the Japanese video, we thought the road was completely closed, but later discovered it was only closed due to passing weather conditions. We put the website information below. Please check before you visit. We assume that they may completely close the road in November, as has been done before. We keep going up. On the way, the scenery is gorgeous. The Sierra Nevadas are very special for us. The first lookout is Washburn Point. This place is a wonderful preview. Just a little further, we finally get to Glacier Point. It was stunning as always. Take as many photos as you want, we did. We've been here in the spring, summer, and now fall. We have so many photos, but we can't help it. They're all a little different. It's just such a gorgeous place to explore for all ages. Here, the store was already closed due to the winter weather. although when we visited there it happened to be nice. So in the fall, be prepared, the store may be closed. The bathrooms, however, are open. So again, please check the website before you go. I hope you can still enjoy these last few weeks of the season. Then, we headed down to Yosemite Valley. Between the mountainsides and trees, a peeping view of the valley appears. Then we plunge into a tunnel. Of course, with kids, have them hold their breath all the way through. After the long tunnel, it opens to the famous tunnel view. The view is glorious, but be prepared for turning traffic just in front of the opening. If you want to stop, there is left, and now a little further, right side parking. We have been here so many times, but it is always beautiful, and we always stop. We took a lot of pictures. Again. Check this out. This is Glacier Point, going through the valley, then Half Dome. It's really cool. We are driving through the valley. It was nice to come here in the fall. A couple of years ago, we came here in summer. It was completely jammed and we couldn't move. That time we skipped the valley. There are so many nice places in the Sierras, it was okay, but once in a while, we still like to come to the valley. It had been a while since I visited Curry Village. Luckily, we found a parking space and headed to Mirror Lake. We used the trail on the mountainside. This time, Mirror Lake was dry, but it was still fun. There was a boulder, and a branch was set like stairs, so of course we climbed up. We snacked a little, but did not have a chance to have lunch, so we decided to grab some sandwiches. My wife ended up purchasing more: beef jerky, chocolate, pins, and the obligatory stuffed animal. The sun had started setting, and the light was hitting the surface of El Capitan. Magic hour. We are looking forward to coming again.